In this video, we'll be taking you through the process of creating a sales lead. This involves many steps such as creating a customer, adding products, and booking appointments. Let's head over to the sales lead section. Here you'll see all your sales leads. Let's go ahead and create a new one. Click on the Create Sales Lead button and enter your customer's phone number. If there is already an existing customer, BMS will find the customer in the system and will pre-fill the form, but for this example, this phone number isn't linked to a customer. Enter all the required details, credit terms, type, and how you heard about us can all be customized by heading over to the configuration section. BMS will also help you when filling out site and billing addresses by auto-completing them, eliminating staff error. You can also use the green arrow to copy the billing address to the site address and vice versa. On the left side of the screen, we can see all our products. BMS has two default products. If you'd like to change, disable, or add more products, head to the Configurations tab and then on the Products section. Add Simple Product 1 to this lead. Select the quantity and click Add. We now see that it has been added. Let's add another product, air conditioning. Here you can see that the air conditioning product is asking more questions. To configure these questions, let's head back to the configuration section. Press on Products again. Now select air conditioning. You will see that this product has multiple questions that we added earlier. Let's add another one. I will be selecting a checkbox question and click Add Field. The new field will be added at the end of the list, then update the question title. I just want to take a moment to talk about how adding these questions will save your field staff time and money. It helps weed out all irrelevant inquiries and easily train inexperienced staff by guiding your admin team to ask your customers questions for each product/service that your customer is after. It will help your staff to provide the right advice to the customer. Let's head back to the sales lead and refresh the page and select the air conditioning product. You can now see that the questions are appearing. Let's add this product to the current sales lead. It will now appear on the right side of the screen with the chosen responses. You can now submit the sales lead without an appointment, or you can add a site visit. So click on the Add Appointment button, which will open the schedule screen. Here we'll be able to select which field staff team member will be attending the visit. First, we need to see our team's schedule. I want to see the schedule of Natasha and Jacob. It looks like Jacob is pretty flat out, so I'll be adding this appointment to Natasha's schedule. Simply drag a time and fill out the pop-up. Natasha will be doing a site visit and we can add any important notes. Press Save. If we need to make any changes, simply click on the entry and make changes accordingly. We can also delete the appointment if needed. Close the screen by pressing the Close button at the bottom. Now the appointment has been booked and it will appear on the right side of the screen. You now have the option to notify either the consultant or the customer or both. By checking the checkbox, they will receive an email notification with the sales lead, details, and the appointment time. One last feature we could do is add attachments to our sales lead. These may include photos, site plans, or documents that the customer has sent through. Make sure to press the Save button. And now you're all done with the sales lead. You now have the option to save it for later or submit it now to finalize your sales lead. Depending on who you check to notify, they will receive an email confirming the details. Now the lead status will change from draft to valid. You can now edit the sales lead, add more attachments, print or convert the sales lead to a quote. You can also cancel or resend the sales lead. One last thing I wanted to touch on is that you can link the sales lead to existing predefined forms. This helps to avoid site revisits due to incomplete measurements and checks. Your field staff can use and submit forms through the BMS app.